Hey everybody, welcome back. This is just a little update video on these potting containers that I did and how to get them to sprout some seeds. Got a container here, poked holes on the bottom there. Put them in some water. That way the water fills from the bottom to the top. As you can see, we have some tomatoes. We have some kale. We have a pumpkin getting ready to sprout. This was a strawberry container here. We have some habaneros. Got some summer squash getting ready to sprout. We have some lemon cucumbers here. Regular cucumbers there. We have some squash there. Some more things getting to sprout. Some sage in that container. See, anything that you poke holes in on the bottom, then water feed them from the bottom, the water will go up and it will encourage those roots to go down. That's what I suggest. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks for joining. Bye.